In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create random number generator using pointers in C programming language. Let's go ahead and create a simple program that will help us to generate random numbers in C programming. Let's go ahead and start by creating a function, and I'm going to call that int pointer random generator. So int pointer random generator. So this function generates random numbers, and go in and let's introduce the use of static in our program. So static integer, and let's call that rand, static integer rand, because rand is a function there. So rand, and then let's go ahead and create just array of 5 random numbers, 5 different random numbers per comma array end, and the initialize int x and per semicolon at the end. Alright, so now we have to set what is called the seed in this function. So go ahead and say srand is a function. So srand, and it takes the value, the parameter of unsigned time. So unsigned time, and time is now. So for semicolon at the end, so using a for loop, we have to create the random generator. So let's go ahead and say for x equal to 0 for semicolon, and x less than 5 for semicolon, and increment x. So be careful that it's not x increment x, and go ahead and say run, pass in the value of x into the array, pass into the variable of array into the array equal to, we call it a rand function. So how we call a rand function in C for random number generator? So rand, and press semicolon at the end, and then we'll go ahead and print out this number. So I'm going to say print f, and say a value of, okay, let's go ahead and say the value of the number. Okay, value of number is, so value of number is %t. So %t, and let this move to the next line to print that out. Move to the next line and put a comma right here, and put in the value of run x inside there. So put a comma here. Now you have to go out of this loop and return run. So we are returning the run integer which we created. So try to put a semicolon right here. Okay, so try to put a semicolon there, and now go into your main function, and it starts very simple. So go ahead and create integer variable of x, create integer variable of x, for semicolon at the end, and then go ahead and create another integer value of integer variable of pointer pt, for semicolon at the end. And then if you want to print that out, you go ahead and say pt is equal to random generator. So press semicolon at the end. And once you do that, you can go ahead and run this code. Let's check that out. Hope there is no error anywhere. So what could the problem be? Okay, so the problem is that I have srand right here, and I supposed to include this in a parenthesis. Okay, everything right here should be the value of srand, and let's run this code again and check that out. So these are 5 different random numbers generated for us. So the value of number is this, value of number is this. If we run this again, it's going to give us a different number entirely. So let's run it again and check it out. So you can see I have different numbers generated for me. So they're just random numbers. And if I close it again and run it again, I'm going to get another set of different numbers. Check it out. So you can see that another set of different numbers are created for us. So go ahead and cruise this, and the code is transferred before you. So go ahead and put this down, and I hope you've learned how to create a random number using pointers in C programming language. And in the next video lecture, I'll teach you how to write down these numbers in case you want to write down them. Okay, so it's just very easy and very simple. So first of all, learn how to generate the numbers randomly, and then in the next video lecture, we'll go ahead and learn how to write down the numbers again. And in case if you have any question under this video lecture, please try to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.